Let's learn about landforms. This is a mountain, very tall and high. This is a hill smaller than a mountain. This is a valley, land between mountains. This is a plain, flat and wide land. This is a forest, full of trees. This is an island, land surrounded by water. This is a plateau, flat land on high ground. This is a jungle, a thick green forest. This is a desert, very dry and sandy. This is a cliff, a steep rock face. This is a canyon, a deep valley with steep sides. This is a volcano, a mountain that can erupt. This is a dune, a hill of sand. This is a glacier, a large, slow-moving ice mass. Thank you for watching.